Well, hello everybody and welcome to today's vlog. We are the Happy Travellers.
I'm Steve.
I'm Wendy.
And we travel around the UK and Europe in our motorhome, which is an Auto Trail Comanche, and we live full-time along with our dog Pippin. Today we started the day with a walk along the beach. We had a really nice time.
Yes.
Wendy had a bit of a swim,
Yes.
but paddling right along the beach was really nice.
Yes.
Pippin doesn't like it.
No.
She stays well away from the water when she can.
She's not a mermaid like me, no.
But then we packed up and we went shopping. And we stopped in Lidl's in Havant, and we stocked up with a whole load of food because all our store cupboards were emptied out, and we haven't been for a big weekly shop, as you might call it, for weeks and weeks. Yeah, we've been sort of clearing out all the old bits and pieces. Anyway, now that the cupboards were full up, we managed to, on our way here, well, one of the cupboard doors managed to break off. And I'm just going to show you that now. So on the front of this cupboard here, we'd normally have, well, this is the under sink store cupboard. It's a sort of curved door, and we normally have a door on that would open from this side outwards, and the hinges are on here. So that's one of the hinges that's stayed on, and that's sort of fairly securely on. But I'd had problems with this bottom hinge before, and look, the screws have really pulled right out, and it's damaged the door here. So what I have to do now is I've got to really sort of work on those and make sure that they are fully repaired and then prepped to take the little screws that I've got up here. So this is the screw that holds that that cupboard on, that hinge, those screws there. So I've got to sort of prep those holes, fill them up, make sure it's all nice and solid, and then get that hinge back on there. So that's the sort of day that we've had. Really nice start. A good bit of shopping, and I've got the receipt down here, so you'll see from here that we spent 145 quid. Yeah, £145.80, but you can see it's a little receipt, but it's a long receipt as well. So we've bought quite a lot of stuff. I think Wendy always does a really good shopping trip when she goes into the shops. We always get some good bargains, but we'll do next time we go shopping, we'll do a good shopping haul for you. So that you can see what we've got in our store cupboards and know what sort of stuff people in motorhomes have. But anyway, that's it for today. I'm not going to show you the cupboard fix because I'm not ready to do that yet. I need to just really sort of drill those out and fill them up with a good solid wood filler, and then prep the hole to take that screw again. Other things that are happening, I've got all of the roof repair stuff has arrived, all the fiberglass kit and the gel coat kit, that's all arrived. I've also ordered the spare wheel lock cover flap. That was £110 and 44 pence, including the white cover with the decal, the Auto Trail decal, and the lock barrel. So all of that is coming. That should be a couple of weeks from now. So there's quite a bit to do. the lock that came out, the lock barrel that came out of the side cabinet, that's all been refitted in, so there's no issues with that. But we are now on a rally with the Caravan and Motorhome Club in Birdham. So we're having a few days here. It's a holiday rally. This rally actually runs for 10 days, but we're here for 4 days, and we're going to enjoy ourselves. Sunshine's beautiful. Well, you might be able to see I've been out in the sun today, and I've got a little bit red as usual. Please don't ask about sun cream. I do wear it occasionally. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, and I use a lot of moisturiser. Keeps my skin looking beautifully young, doesn't it? Anyway, that's it from us today. We're going to see you again tomorrow. But if you've enjoyed this video and you enjoy watching our channel, why not subscribe? Click the subscribe button below. And if you want to get reminders, just ring that bell as well. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye for now.